Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to draw Neodevimon from Digimon. That's right, folks. It's been a long time since I've drawn a Digimon, and now the time has finally come. If you must know, Neodevimon is a standard evolution of Devimon. Well, a version of Devimon, which I've never seen until now. I never saw him in the anime until 2020. He's one of the latest characters in the Digimon reboot series, which considers him one of my favorites. For in the original show, in the original anime, Devimon didn't digivolve at all, but in the reboot he did. He took on Neodevimon, and Axe Nightmon was his servant. There we go. There's his head. There we go. Now we just draw the bottom of his hair. There we go. There we go, there's his arm. Known fact about Neodevimon, he has infrared vision. The slightest sign of heat will make him go berserk. Well, just a thought. That would be an awesome idea in my TV show. If I ever have a TV show, I would put him on a team called the Aftershocks, with Bolt Batamon as the leader, along with Cybertramon from Digimon Tamers. And that's an animation for another time. Right now, let's get drawn, shall we? Now we just draw the bandages on his hands. Now we just draw the claws here. There we go. Now we just draw the rest of his bandaged arms. Go. There's his chest here. Alexa, play Under My Rock.
Here's Under My Rock by Patrick on Amazon Music.
There we go. There's the spears.
It's where you'll always find me. If you're walking right behind me. Where is it? Please remind me. Oh yeah, under my rock.
Now we just draw the marks on his pants.
Under my rock. Here's the bed that I lie in, laughing, sighing, crying, or eat a piece of pie under my rock. Under my rock. It's cold and hard and kind of gray. It's the only place I'll ever stay. Got snacks in the fridge and a telephone in this stone that I call home. Let's rock!
There we go.
Got a welcome mat and dirty socks, a safe, a table, and a secret box. Myself and me can be alone in the stone that I call home. Oh yeah, that's the chair I
There's his
sometimes doze
pants.
on. The hanky I blow my nose on. Hey! My favorite show's on! Under my rock! Under my rock! I guess that completes our tour. So let me show you to the door. That's all. There ain't no more. Under my rock! Under my rock! Boys, take it home! Oh, I already am home! Yeah, that's where we are! Still here! Hey, this is prime real estate, baby! Oh yeah!
There's the extra wing.
I got right here! I don't need to go anywhere else! It ain't much, but it's a place to hang my hat. Well, I don't wear a hat. I wear shorts. I can hang my shorts, sir. Stand there and taking them off. Hey, where's everybody going?
There we go. Alexa, what is Neo?
The name Neo means champion.
There we go. I think I made the arm a bit too short. Alexa, play To Be a Master.
Here's To Be a Master by Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Now we just draw the other claw here.
So you want to be a Pokemon master?
I got to be the one, the only one who can withstand the test and be the best. Got to strive, keep up the drive, be a master. It takes a certain kind of skill, and I won't stop until 150 Pokemon are mine. I must define the art of capture. To be a master, Pokemon master, I will be writing a brand new chapter. Pokemon Go!
There we go.
All the children sing.
Alexa, play Rock the Night.
Rock the Night by Europe
And last
on
thing,
Amazon Music.
the hair below his body. Alexa, play Rock the Night.
Here's Rock the Night by Europe on Amazon Music.
And there he is, folks. That's how you draw Neodevimon. Each one last thing, the lines between his eyes. And there he is. So, did you enjoy me drawing him? Did you enjoy drawing him as well? If so, post a comment. So, you guys like Devimon? Because I'm going to draw the original real soon. That's a promise to you guys. Okay, so anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe. And so, what's your best quality about Devimon? If you have a question, leave a comment below. Till next time, Stegosaurus, see you later.